take a look at this show car here. Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville two-door hardtop. And this one is definitely a head turner, restored in 2016. 389 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, and take a look at the chrome, the bright work up front. It does have more modern headlights on it, as you can see. Halo, more of a high intensity discharge light. Look at that grille. Of course, the Bonneville badging across the hood. Paint in nice shape on this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see it from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it'll be down in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can check out all the still pics. And you also call us at 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front. More modern Pontiac chrome polished wheel. And let's take a look down the length of this beauty. See, the panels are nice and straight. And again, look at all the bright work up and down the passenger side. Fender skirts, of course. Another thing I want you to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have a power antenna that is working. I want to show you some things that are going to go with this also. There is the Pontiac brochure from 1958. There's an actual book about the restoration of this car with the pictures and everything that will go with it. Body manual, shop manual, and we will send all the trophies that this car has won already. We'll also put those in the trunk, so those can be enjoyed by the new owner of this beautiful Pontiac. UniqueClassicCars.com, where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll see the trunk, engine bay undersides. Of course, this two-tone green, stunning color combination, especially with all this chrome. As you can see, there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, this is one you can drive. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You are not going to come across a lot of cars in this condition that look like this. Let's take a look at this interior. Nicely equipped in here also. Power windows. Door panels in the two-tone green to match the exterior. Seats are cloth and vinyl combination. Free of rips, tears, holes. And wait till we take a look at this dash with all the chrome in that as well. Headliner, beautiful shape. Also two-tone, check that out. All right, now we do have odometer gauges, so a nice looking aftermarket gauge cluster. We also have a stereo that looks very authentic as original, but it is working and it is more modern. It just looks the way that you see it right there as original. So let me show you. If I click this on, it's going to power up, see the light come on, and there's also directions on how to use this, because it's a little different than just a normal standard old stereo. So there is directions on how to use it in the glove box, and it is working. Beautiful dash, chrome and green, and then take a look at the gauges. There is an odometer over here that reads 1701. That could easily be how many miles are on this car since it's been restored. Tack down here. Again, you can see aftermarket gauges there also. This is a 389 tri-power too, by the way. And we're going to take a look under the hood in just a second here. Let you hear how this runs. Get a good idea how the exhaust sounds. Sounds as good as it looks, folks. exit through the rear bumper. We'll slip up to the front. We'll pop this hood open a second, take a peek underneath that, and then remember, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to do a little drive with this car, set the camera up in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around to the very end. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and the engine bay. And again, just as clean and tidy as the exterior. And then check this out, still using that two-tone color combination with the with the valve covers, air cleaner cover, intake manifold. So 389, tri-power, power steering, power brakes. Sounds good, looks good. Stunning car. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville two-door hardtop. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Really an amazing looking car. The green color just seems to glow. And the quality of the work and the craftsmanship is amazing, inside and out. Our turn signal indicators are functioning, brakes are working well. We've got odometer gauges in the dash that really match quite well to the dash. And they're all working great. Fuel gauge is reading 1/8 of a tank. Oil pressure is at 60 psi. Water temperature about 160. And the volts are charging at over 14. This car is an automatic on the column, which makes it very easy to drive. Factory horn is working. Factory radio does also work. We'll let that warm up. Windshield wipers function. This car has power windows all around, including the wing windows up in the front doors. They're power as well. Such style in this car. The amount of work and design that went into it, you can really tell. This car looks and feels like new. It is a very windy day today. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car may drift a little to the left. Beautiful paint, beautiful chrome carpet. We have a bench seat inside. Factory looking bench seat. Very comfortable. Factory radio does work. Just a slight rumble to this car when you get on the throttle. It actually corners really well for such a large car. The power steering does make it really easy to drive. Excellent road tripping car, but this one is so nice. It seems tailor-made just to go to shows and events. Read more about this car, see the underside pictures, that clean engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com.